Attention to every Bitcoin owner and Bitcoin trader. We have some huge, and I mean huge signals right now on the trading view chart, okay? Right here, we're going to take a look at that and see what is going to be happening to Bitcoin in the next 2 days, or maybe even less. I think it's around about a day or maybe I think 16 hours. We will have a new signal to see either if Bitcoin is bullish or bearish. But before I do anything, make sure you guys leave a like down below now on this video. It takes 2 seconds. You guys have run up the likes. Try to 100 likes on this video. And also, remember guys, we have a new Telegram group and also a new Discord to show you guys some signals on some altcoins. And these signals can give you a huge amount of profit. So make sure you guys join the links down below in the description right now. Anyway, so looking at the graph right now on Bitcoin, as you can see, we have a very short amount of time before it goes on to the end of the triangle. It could even be right now in the next 2 hours, could even be in the next 4, 6, 8, 10 hours. We never know unless you look at the chart right now and try to see what we can and predict that will happen to Bitcoin. So, as we can see right now as recording this video and uploading the video, we are currently going up the market. We have 3 huge green candles and we have 3 new highs. Well, actually, we have 2 new highs. So this is actually looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Now, what I'm going to do right now real quickly is do the pitchfork. So, guys, right here, if I just do this, we can see right here for the past 3 candles, which is 3 hours, we have successfully gone up the chart. Now, if we was bullish, if we was bearish, we would have failed these. We would have gone down, but no, we are making new highs. And if we have a look right here past this line, this green one first, we successfully went above it, and obviously the red one and the green one. Now, as you can see, the very last candle, we have actually retraced it and we have gone down, and it's having a hard time to go above it. So what this is indicating right now is that it has a bit of difficulty to try and actually go above there. Okay, so there's 2 minutes left until this candle closes, so stay tuned and don't miss out and see what actually happens with Bitcoin live of this video. Alright guys, a new candle just got created. Now, as we can see right here, we have a green candle. It could be literally anything now. Now, this right here obviously is a middle point of Bitcoin. Now, it could literally go above and it can go beyond. You know what I'm saying? It could do anything right here. Basically, if we measure this move from the very bottom of this red to the very top of this green candle, that right there is 2.8%, okay? So let's take that into consideration, and if we just leave that there and do a 2.8 increase right now, because remember, we are making new highs, new high there and a new high there. There's currently a high there, and it made 2 new highs, which obviously will come with 2 new high lows, all right? So now, if we do a percentage increase of 2.8 right here, let's see what that takes us, guys. Interesting. That takes us exactly on the blue trading line, what we was actually looking at 1 day ago. That will take us to the very top of it. But guess what? Where that will take us? That will take us on top of the triangle, which means that Bitcoin will be bullish. And now this green candle live right now is looking very, very healthy, and it's very looking bullish. And remember, we have to take in consideration what happens if Bitcoin goes down 2.8% in the next hour. Let's have a look now and see where that would take us. 2.8% would be on this red line. Now, measured it correctly, look guys, this red line that you are seeing on the bottom of the chart right now, that is the last low. Now, if Bitcoin goes on that last low, there'll be more chance of that low even getting more lower, because it'll create a new lower low. And if it does create a new lower low, there'll be a new resistance on this triangle right here, and it could possibly be bearish. So what I think will happen with Bitcoin right here is it will do this. It will go down 1 candle, and then it will go back up to this blue line. Now, this blue line right here, we was actually trading on that line and just hovering over it, and then obviously it acted as resistance right here and it went down. Now, what I think it will do is it'll hit the bottom of that blue line when it's making this new high. But obviously, it won't be a new high because it won't go above it. Because if it does go above it, it'll actually break the resistance and go above the triangle that we are trading right now on. So what I think it'll do, it'll hit that blue line, go down after to this line right here. Now, it will try to test this bottom line, which we was actually just making a new higher low. It will hit it, and I think it will go underneath of it, hit this bottom of the triangle, and then go back up to the top of the triangle, which remember, at this right here, it makes perfect sense for it, because right here is actually the bottom of the blue line that we just hit previously. So it will try to do that again, and if it fails to do that, it'll obviously just hit it there. And maybe if it's successful, it can be bearish, you know, it's whatever. But then if it doesn't be bearish, it can hit it again, and maybe it'll be bullish. bullish, because this right here, this blue line will help it be more bullish, because remember, this was what we was trading on earlier about a day ago, so this will help it. Now let's look at the levels right now for what will happen if it is bearish or bullish. So if it is bullish, I would maybe open up a short to see if it can go down to level 32542. That's 32,500 right here. It could be a possible gain entry for you, and when it does reach that, it can be act as a resistance right here, and obviously you'll have another resistance right here as well at the level of 33892. So that's about 2,000 down right now. So if it does actually go beneath the triangle, I probably would open the short right here to that level, maybe take half profits and maybe do it again and just keep it to right down to 32,000. And I think that could be a trade for you. And if it is successful and it is more bearish, if you are opening up shorts and you want it to go bearish, it could also hit 30,000 right here at the bottom of this. Now this is perfect entry for anyone who's trading Bitcoin. Right here, you already know that if it does reach that, you are going to be having some serious gains, because obviously Bitcoin, at the end of the day, it will go higher than 30k in the future. So that's a no-brainer. What I think will happen for bullish people right now is it will do this. So if I get the paint out, it will right here at this level, it will hit it. If not, maybe even hit it here sooner than this, and it will hit this line right here, which let me see what line that is on. That is currently on 40k. That's perfect sense. That makes perfect entry levels. So if we do open a long up at this level right here, when it does break that triangle, we are aiming for that level. But obviously, we're going to have a little bit of resistance to go up. There'll be a few people shorting it at level 37906. So we've been taking like 40% profits at that level and holding them 40% profits, and then maybe cash it out at level 40k. Now, obviously, I don't know what we're going to be getting at this 40k level if we do reach it. Maybe we're going to be doing this. So we're going to hit it there like that. And then we haven't seen some new patterns. Now, so obviously we did get a triangle pattern. So right here, we could be getting a sideways pattern on the higher. So yeah, guys, it's been about 10 minutes now anyways. And now look, guys, this right here, this red candle, it's not going up and it's not going down. Right here is the middle of the Bitcoin price. So guys, if you have any questions or you have any opinions, make sure guys comment down below right now what you guys' opinions are on Bitcoin in the next 6 to 10 hours, maybe possibly sooner than this. And of course, make sure guys join my Telegram group down below in the description, and also my Discord, and subscribe, post notifications, and drop a like down below on this video, boys. Anyways, let's get to one, boys, in the next video. Peace.